So the Pecron trolley got here yesterday, and that's why I haven't shown you the Pecron itself, because I wanted to get the trolley before we got to the unit. So I'm going to open this up and put it together. There is some assembly required, but it looks pretty straightforward, and there's some directions. The only problem that I had was the wheels. The screws did not go into their receptacles very easily. So that might be something I'm gonna call Pecron about, but not a big deal. Looks really nice, very sturdy, handles well. So we're gonna put the Pecron on the Pecron cart.